precious and the power to you. I like 3.1 for is the value of pi. Boy, move that time with a rapid circle 3 times till you will find 0.14 is left. 3.14 is pi. Area of a circle is pi r squared. Circumference is 2 pi r. Cylinder value is hiding 2 pi r squared. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with pandas. That's why pandas. I'm in love with pandas. My uncle is brand new. I'm in love with shape of angle, area of base into height, volume, area into height. Rectangle, praise and volume, you find length into breadth into height. Frequency take, mix them and bake and get cylinder. Frequency take, mix them and bake. Ooh, hemisphere, and I'm sitting like 2 by 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere, volume, one sphere needs 2 hemispheres. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere is volume of the companies. Pi r square into height by 3. TSA, CSA, oh, the sphere is 4 into pi r square. TSA of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. CSA to pi r square. CSA of cone is pi rl. I'm in love with pandas. Dev does pi pandas. I'm in love with pandas. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby, come on. 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 S squared plus B squared equal to C squared. Pythagoras, I'm in love with studies. Listen to you in my room, and I'm a virgin, smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby, come on. Come on, be I'm in love with your body. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
Oh, we forgot to introduce him. Meet Rajesh Kalra, who is christened RK in Africa, where he made India proud by conceptualizing and executing the world's largest soap carpet. And along with African pop diva Grace Nakamira, composed Uganda's first corporate anthem, which was reported extensively in the worldwide media.